Get 20 minutes of free talk time every day by using my referral link to download the app Ace Fluency. And if you want to buy a course, then apply my coupon code Shweta10 for an additional 10% discount.
Oh, hello.
Yes, ma'am. Continue. Please continue.
All right. Okay. So, we are having a session for the very first time. So, let's start with the introduction part. Just
Okay,
tell me
ma'am.
about yourself.
I am Shweta. I am a homemaker. I am from West Bengal, and I have been working as a Hindi translator, and I am in the journey of learning English. So, for this, I have started my own YouTube channel where I am sharing English related content. So that's all about myself, and I am feeling happy to take sessions on Ace Fluency. So I am thankful to Ace Fluency.
Thank you so much. You're welcome. So, you are an Hindi translator. That's pretty good. So, how come, they say that it is very difficult to translate everything in Hindi, because I find Hindi is a very tough language. So how do you do that?
For me, Hindi is easy because Hindi is my mother tongue, ma'am. So, and I can type both Hindi and English at a very good speed. So, from childhood, because Hindi is my mother tongue, so I am good at it. So I don't have problem regarding Hindi, but when it comes to English, I am facing problem. Written I can do anyhow with the help of any tool, but when it comes to speaking, I need to work on my English.
Oh, no, you know that English is really easy when we compare it to Hindi. And when we actually know the exact things and how to frame words in a proper sentences, then it gives us so much of confidence to face the people, right?
Yes, ma'am. As compared to Hindi, English is easy to learn. That's why
Yes,
it's universal language.
yes. And easy to understand, it's easy to speak. Yeah. But I'll tell you one thing, that people think that instead of writing, reading, and listening, we can just speak English so fluently without any other thing. But no, the thing is that English is based on the four pillars, right? That is reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So if one of the pillar is weak, so it's automatically gonna affect your fluency, your communication skills. And people don't understand this, and that is why they find it difficult to speak in English.
Yes, right, ma'am. And practice is very important. Repetition of the same thing, I feel that we need to improve ourselves. What do you think?
Absolutely, I too agree with this. And the much you will speak in Hindi, the much the much you'll speak in English, the much you'll be perfect in spoken language, right? Because language proficiency doesn't comes with a medicine or in a blink of an eye. It takes a lot of effort or a lot of hard work
Yes.
which you have to give, right? There is a lot of hard work we have to know, which we have to put in our language part.
Yes, ma'am. And in the journey of learning English, what I feel, sometimes we need guidance, people who are better than you. When you interact with that person and speak with whom, you can rectify your mistakes where you are making mistakes, either pronunciation, grammatical mistakes, or structure formation sentences. So we need to interact with people like you, ma'am.
Absolutely, I totally agree. Even sometimes I do feel that I am not that much perfect in spoken, but so I always talk to those people who are far better than me. I do that as well, you know. And the only thing which I will suggest to the people that no, you just need to speak in English more. Like, I'll give you an example, like the people who live in America, or you know, who, like, even the Indian kids are nowadays are being like that. I know one of the child, and he's just 5 or 6 years old, and he speaks so good English. Like, his English is so good. Whether you can look around in the grammatical portion or in the spoken part, you will say that, ma'am, he's the best at this age. And when I interacted with his parents, so they said that they gave him the environment in which the entire family didn't talk in Hindi with him at all for all those 5 years.
Wow.
So that,
Yes, ma'am.
you know, even I learned from that. Okay, that's the very good thing, and that's the very good aspect to make somebody learn how to speak well. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So, how was your journey in learning English?
And it's a continuous process. We need to be consistent towards our efforts. Who want to speak in English, they, after trying 6 months, and they gave up. So we should not be gave up. What mistakes you are doing while speaking, it's okay, because mistakes are the part of learning. So we should accept it, and we should keep going on, and we should focus on day-to-day improvement.
That's absolutely true. I second you in this, that we don't have to give up on our goals, because if we give up, we are not gonna achieve them at all in our entire lifespan. And anyways, Shweta, that's a lovely session with you.
Same here, ma'am.
Hello.
I am also
Yeah,
feeling happy after talking with you.
and hope to see you soon in the next upcoming session.
Okay, ma'am. I will
Bye-bye.
be waiting.
Have a good day. Same
Thank
here, Shweta.
you.
Take care. Goodbye. Have a nice day.
You too, ma'am.